Imagine that I've been waiting for this trade since yesterday morning, and I waited for hours for this trade, and within minutes I lost money. Shit. So guys, let me show you something. Let's experience this tapping together. Let's see what God got for us, baby. We're almost getting close. So we are waiting for this trade, and let's see what this trade plays out. Missing it, like almost tapping. Missing it almost. Let me check what my MT5 is showing me right now. Almost. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. We are in, bro.
Are we in?
We are in. We are in. We are in on the trade. So this is how it looks like. We are in on the trade. Let me see what trading view is showing us. So this is what the trading view. You're not in. Guys, my bro is not in. Like, let me see you. Let me see you. Let me see you. You're not in, bro. So I'm in on the trade.
I'm in now.
You're in, Brody. Let me see. Yeah, let me see what. The M1 is coming with mad. Let me see my. Dang. I'm reading -$9 right now. Let me see what market got for us.
How much do you reach?
And I reached $23 on this trade. Have you seen it?
I reached
What do you?
I reached $239.
So bro reached $239. Okay, the trade is rejecting right now. You see, it's rejecting. I'm reading -$3. Let me see what the chart is doing. Look at what the chart is doing currently. So that is it. And I'll update you guys when the trade plays out. Let's go. So guys, this is the result of the trade currently. We are floating in profit, guys. Have you see that rejection? We are floating in profit. We are floating in profit. Don't play. Jesus, it's pulling back. It's pulling back. Well, it is what it is.
It is
what it is, man. Plus $1.
It is what it is.
Look at it came back to my entry and it's rejecting back again. So let me show you guys on trading view.
Let's go, my boy.
Let me show you guys what it's looking like on network.
This is the lot size. Yeah, lot size. Weekend gem.
So this is the M1. Yeah. This is my guy is reading plus $100, and this is mine here. This is the M1. If I should go to the M15 time frame, which is my entry time frame, let's see what the M15 is currently doing. So the M15 is rejecting. So that's a strong zone. Have you seen that rejection? So let me see what my MT5 is telling me right now, whether we are rejoicing or we are having some pullbacks. Network. So guys, we are reading -60 cents. So the trade is actually pulling back.
Guys.
Yeah. But it is what it is. Let's see. I'm definitely gonna update you guys on the result of the trade. So stay tuned. Let's see what this trade is gonna look like. What the result is gonna look like actually. Because this is one of my high probability trades. Let's just see what the result is gonna look like. And I'll definitely update you guys. So subscribe to the channel. It's Kokusfx right there, and I'm here with Miski FX. Let's see. This is first trade of the day. We have been waiting for this setup since yesterday actually. So that is. Let me show you guys what the trade that is doing currently. I'm seeing some rejections on the M1, and that is it. So I will update you guys when the trade plays out. Let's go. So guys, see what the trade is doing currently. Actually, this trade I've been waiting for this trade since yesterday morning, guys. Like, you have to be patient to make money for
Very
it.
patient.
I'm gonna lie for you. I've been waiting for this setup on Go since yesterday. I just hope it's gonna be a good one.
It's a good one.
Let me show you guys what the trade is.
It's a high probability trade.
Look at what the trade is doing currently. So this is on trading view. Let me see what it's doing on my MT5. So let me see network. Come on. Network is bad. Network. So guys,
I'm currently reading on plus $90.
Okay. So guys, pulling back, I'm reading plus. I'm back to break even. This trade is crazy.
Yeah, it's a nice zone.
So I get that zone is a very strong zone for buy, because actually the high time frame for gold is bullish. So I'm buying from this zone. I actually have two zones in mind, but I saw my confidence on this zone, so that's why I took it. So we are currently flying on profit. Let me show you guys. We are flying plus around plus $1.60. $1.
Bro, if this
I'm back to break even, man.
How much are you going to make?
I'm back to break even. If this way should go my way, I'll be making let me switch to the higher time frame. I'll be making $300, and I risked $23 on this trade. So
this should go my way.
So let me see what the trade will look like, and I will definitely update you guys. So stay tuned. Let's go. I'm currently reading minus $4 on the trade. So let me see what results will look like. So subscribe to the channel and let's go. So guys, this is what the trade is doing. Almost to stop me out. Almost to stop me out. Let's see. Ooh, that is it. That is it. I'm stopped out on this trade. It is what it is, guys. The trade have successfully stopped me out, and it is what it is. But the thing is that I'm not any kind of emotional, because I risk what I afford to lose. So that is it. I've lost the trade. Have you seen it? I've lost the trade, and I lost. You see my radar. I've been on losing streak recently. I lost $24 on the trade. But it is what it is, guys. It's dropping, and that is it.
Ouch.
So the trade just took me out. It's all good. That's the market. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So guys, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be catching you guys in the next video. Let me show you guys trading view to see what the trade looks like.
Don't stop me out.
Yo, what's good music?
I'm out, guys.
Yo, we took loss. Imagine that I've been waiting for this trade since yesterday morning, and I waited for hours for this trade, and within minutes I lost money. Shit, that's crazy. So this is the trade right here. The trade actually liquidated me. Let me show you on TradingView. The trade actually liquidated me, but the thing is that I saw my confluences, so that's why I took the trade. I saw my confluences, and if you drop to the M1, you see that market actually respected my zone. Just that the sellers were more. Are you seeing the rejection from here? I thought we were going to move from here, but it is what it is. Market stopped me out. Let me see what market will later do. So that is the importance of proper risk management.